Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, bigger, yet slimmer than ever. Samsung has taken foldable design to the next level, giving you a sleek phone that feels as comfortable as a traditional smartphone, but with an expanded cover display that unfolds into something truly powerful. Open it up and you'll discover a massive 8-inch screen that changes how you multitask. Imagine streaming your favorite show, checking emails, and browsing social media, all at the same time, on one device. With support for up to 3 apps at once, you can do more and see more without compromise. And when it comes to capturing memories, the Galaxy Z Fold7 raises the bar. Its ultra-premium 200 megapixels Pro Visual Engine camera delivers breathtaking clarity and detail, letting you shoot photos and videos like a pro, wherever you are. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, designed specifically for Galaxy. That means smooth, seamless performance whether you're gaming, editing photos, or just scrolling through your day. Durability: Samsung has you covered. Built with an advanced Armor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass ceramic 2, the Z Fold7 is engineered to withstand your busiest lifestyle, while still looking as stunning as the day you unboxed it. Battery life is another game changer. No more worrying about running out halfway through your day. The Z Fold7 is built to keep up, letting you create, work, and play without constantly reaching for a charger. And it doesn't stop there. Pair it with the new Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and you can track your health, fitness, and wellness on the go, then view deeper insights on the Fold's expansive screen. The Galaxy Z Fold7 isn't just a phone, it's a new way to work, create, and stay ahead. Sleek design, powerful performance, pro-level camera, and unmatched durability. It's the ultimate upgrade for 2025. So, are you ready to unfold the future? Why so late? Get this official QR code on the screen or link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell for more updates. Appreciate you watching.